special series, Making Sense, we have brought you stories about the strange and fascinating world of the human senses. And our next story is no exception, featuring a teenager whose sense of hearing was changed forever by a single sound. Watch. 2 years ago, Cindy Redmond was your average teenager.
I had a lot of friends. I was super social, and all my friends and I used to go outside and play, and I went to school. It was a normal childhood.
Her mother, Lori, remembers a child whose smile was contagious.
Always happy. Always happy. You know, she would wake up in the morning and look at me, and a smile would spread across her face. And, you know, I was really lucky.
But in the fall of 2016, while at a friend's house, Cindy was talking on her cell phone. After being instructed twice by a parent of her friends to put it away, she says he suddenly blasted an air horn in Cindy's face, changing her life forever.
I felt like a burst in my ear, almost like a pop, and then pain just came rushing in.
I just thought it was rude and sort of a juvenile thing for an adult to do to a kid.
An air horn blast can register up to 130 decibels, a level that can cause permanent hearing damage or loss. But Cindy's case did just the opposite.
It was like a stabbing or a burning. It just felt like lava was being poured into my ears.
Cindy's mother took her to countless specialists, trying to find out what exactly was wrong.
We went to a lot of doctors. Many of them said there's no ear infection, give her ibuprofen. We were really frustrated leaving the doctors all the time with no help.
Finally, an audiologist came back with a diagnosis: hyperacusis, a condition that makes everyday noises nearly impossible to tolerate.
It was a relief that I figured out what it was, and I thought that there would be a treatment, but I later learned that there wasn't.
All I could do was kind of sit with her quietly and tell her I love her, and hopefully it would pass. But no, constant frustration.
Even the faintest of sounds makes the pain unbearable.
My mind just goes into panic when I hear a noise. So I immediately plug my ears and kind of rush to the nearest safe spot.
If we see a small child and they look like they're getting frustrated, we move quickly. And yes, I jump and I apologize every time I drop something because I know I'm hurting her.
Because of the pain, she has to wear noise-canceling earmuffs and is now homeschooled.
She's lonely, very lonely. We have tried to do outings, to do fun things, and sometimes we have success and a lot of times we don't.
But despite it all, Cindy is determined to forge ahead and bring awareness to her condition by YouTube.
I like YouTube. I like making videos and expressing my creativity through that.
I'm homebound because my hyperacusis in school is too loud for me.
I think eventually there will be a cure. It might not be in my lifetime, but there will be eventually.
We reached out multiple times for comment from her friend's parent. We did not receive a response. As for Cindy, she is committed to raising awareness about her condition and hopeful that she will be able to continue living a normal life.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.